Isn't it scary that nothing will be real in like 20 years? With AI being so real like already, making music, making videos, making pictures, where, me as a person that uses the internet quite a lot, like sometimes I get tricked. And the interesting thing is, you notice it's like good CGI, right? You don't notice good CGI. So you don't notice good AI either, which is a problem because it also makes you question when someone actually makes something real. Like I was listening to a few songs on Spotify and my friend told me it was AI. Well, I still don't believe it was, but he believed it, which means, you know, only one person can be right. Which also means, in the future when you look at this, you won't be 200% sure if this is real. I mean, not to be like woo woo whatever. And the same thing like in haven't seen all the Matrix movies, but you get my point. Like you won't know what is what, which I think will also lead to people being more, in person, like meeting up and doing things, or having more like yeah, like live experiences with each other. And I think people will also normalize the fact that nothing on the internet is real, either you find it entertaining or interesting or you don't. That's about it. And I mean, for many years, I think there's gonna be somewhat of a human behind a lot of things, even though perhaps the person you're seeing and whatnot is not real. Um, but someone is orchestrating. Is that orchid? Yeah, doing the thing in the background behind the scenes. And I think that's also why streamers and so whatever has been like really really big lately, or the last few years, because that's one of the few times things are very authentic. You can't really like edit things or change things. And so I just think being genuine and being authentic will, you know be be a very big thing because it's getting more and more rare, more filters, more everything. I mean, I know like a few years ago when I tried to record some TikToks and whatever, TikTok automatically, without me putting that in the settings, started like adding filters and stuff. And I noticed when I did like something like this, and then all of a sudden, like I don't know, my eyes were like more vibrant or whatever, and it started like glitching out as soon as I touched myself over my face. And it was yeah, uh, a wake up call in a sense. But yeah, I hope it's yeah, maybe it's gonna bring us together in like a nice way. People actually hanging out outside because you want some sort of connection. It will also make people super sad because you have to actively seek out the connection. You won't be forced to do it because it will be so easy to get the social, connection by not doing anything, just like chatting with the computer. You know. Um, so yeah, if you want more, subscribe. I'm just trying to give you my thoughts and be as authentic as I can. So I love you. Bye.